In this video, I am going to share with you what is a triple net lease and how to know that the things that you are buying is a triple net or not. I am going to uncover all these things one by one. Triple net lease. First of all, triple net, it means triple N, which is called triple net lease. Okay, so why it is triple net? The first net or the first N stands for the rates and land tax. It means that the tenant is going to pay the rent plus council rates and the land tax. Then this is called net lease. The double net or the NN lease means, which means rates and the land tax should be paid by the tenant, is on the insurance payment. The insurance payment is where the double net. So if it is a double net lease, it means the rates plus insurance plus land tax will be paid by the tenant. The third net is where the maintenance come into the picture. It means first net is the rates and the land tax, second net with insurance, and the third one is where the maintenance comes in. And that's why the triple net lease is so lucrative. You know, if the tenant is saying, particularly if the agent is saying it's a triple net lease, then you know all these things it can be recoverable from the tenant. All these outgoings should be paid by the tenants. But if it is a double net lease, then you need to know that the maintenance is not tenant's responsibility, is owner's responsibility. And if it is only net, then you know only the rates and the land tax should be paid and all other insurance and the maintenance should be paid. And this is, again, you would be able to read through, you should be reading the lease, and will be able to know whether it's a net lease, a double net or triple net. But this is important terminology to understand, to know, so that you can talk to the agents and say that is this a triple net lease or it's a double net lease or it's a net lease. And sometimes the agent will say that what's the difference, because they themselves do not know. So you need to understand that all these different, and particularly you should be doing this due diligence and knowing that, okay, yes, I am buying a triple net lease, or no, I am not buying a triple net lease, I am buying a double net lease. And that's how you would be able to calculate how much will be your cash flow. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.